driveway's gone under.
Stuart's house, yeah.
Swimming pool.
Wow. Well, we're 10 hours of this.
Yep.
At least 10 hours. If I can, I'll put this on YouTube.
Oh, I can't believe that store. And there the rubber boots on. In that door you can see. Right now, it keeps raining this hard. What can you do? You can do things till it stops and it starts running off.
That's right.
That's the awful thing about it. He must be digging a trench right in the backyard to see the stalker.
That's what it looks like. I wonder about the post office.
Lindsay's got my swimming pool.
Sailboat. Wonder what they think of Briar Island now. People waiting for the bearing.
Get me off of this rock. Culvert bubbling up there.
Not quite up to the running board.
For sale. Like this deep. He's not going up there anytime soon.